What happens if you get divorced? Can she take it all?
Oh boy, that's well, I'd say that's a question that's actually, I mean, it's pretty predominant, right, in the society that we're in, and why? And I'm asking you this, Vern. Why do most marriages fail?
Money
Money.
problems.
And so, if you just take a step back for a moment and you recognize that if you look at medical maladies in human beings, most of it begins with stress. There are married couples out there right now arguing about money, and it's driving a wedge in the family, it's driving a wedge in the relationship. Now, God forbid if there was a policy in place, dependent upon how the policy is structured, and a divorce occurred, then again, based on the entire couple's matrimonial picture, uh, that would determine how the policy gets handled. And so there's no cookie cutter, response to that question, unfortunately, but that would be handled on a case by case basis. And your coach would know how to best structure the policy. So be sure to book that call and expand on that a little bit further if that is a concern, a real concern that you're dealing with.